Imagine waking up one morning and realizing that every password, every encryption, and every digital security system has been broken overnight. Sounds like a sci-fi movie, right? But this could actually happen with the rise of quantum computing, the most powerful and disruptive technology ever created. So, will quantum computers break the internet? Will they make everything from Bitcoin to online banking unsafe? Or can we stop this before it happens? Let's find out. Before we talk about how quantum computing could break the internet, let's quickly understand how it's different from the computers we use today. Traditional computers use bits, which are like tiny switches that can either be 0 or 1, but quantum computers use qubits, which can be 0, 1, or both at the same time. This weird ability, called superposition, allows quantum computers to process information exponentially faster than regular computers. Think of it like this. A normal computer checks one possible solution at a time. A quantum computer analyzes millions of possibilities at once, and that's where things get both exciting and terrifying. Right now, the entire internet relies on encryption to protect your private data, passwords, banking details, and even military secrets. Most online security uses something called RSA encryption, which relies on huge numbers that are almost impossible to break. For a normal computer, it would take millions of years to break an RSA encryption, but a quantum computer, it could crack it in seconds. Luckily, tech giants and governments are already working on quantum-safe encryption to prevent this disaster. These include post-quantum cryptography, new encryption methods that even quantum computers can't crack, quantum key distribution, QKD, a futuristic unhackable encryption method based on quantum mechanics, AI plus quantum security, using AI to predict and counter quantum cyber threats before they happen. So while quantum computing poses a huge risk, researchers are racing to make sure the internet stays secure. But it's not all bad news. Quantum computing isn't just about breaking encryption, it's also about solving the world's hardest problems. With quantum computers, we could cure diseases by simulating molecules and creating new medicines. This means bank accounts, credit cards, and financial systems could be hacked instantly. Private emails, messages, and cloud storage could be exposed. Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies could collapse overnight. In simple terms, quantum computing could make all existing cybersecurity obsolete. Now you might be wondering, how soon will this happen? Well, here's where things get interesting. Google already created a quantum computer that solved a problem in 200 seconds, a task that would take a supercomputer 10,000 years. IBM, Microsoft, and Amazon are investing billions into quantum computing research. China has built quantum networks that are resistant to hacking. Experts predict that by 2030, quantum computers could be powerful enough to break encryption. So advance space exploration by optimizing rocket designs. Revolutionize finance by making perfect stock market predictions. Solve climate change by discovering new energy sources. So while quantum computers could break the internet, they could also change the world for the better. So what's the verdict? Should we be terrified of quantum computers hacking the internet, or excited about the future they could create? One thing is for sure, quantum computing is coming fast, and it will change everything. The real question is, will we be ready? AI is already transforming the world, but imagine what happens when artificial intelligence meets quantum computing. Here's what we could see in the future. Supercharged AI models. AI could process trillions of data points instantly, making today's AI seem slow. AI-driven drug discovery. AI powered by quantum computers could design new cures in days instead of decades. Faster deep space calculations. Quantum AI could analyze black holes, dark matter, and space travel physics in ways we've never imagined. The real question is, will quantum AI lead to the next level of intelligence? Could it even develop into AGI, artificial general intelligence? Quantum computing isn't just a technology race, it's a global arms race. Countries like the US, China, and the European Union are pouring billions into quantum research. But why? Because whoever masters quantum computing first will have the power to crack any encrypted communication from banking systems to military networks, gain a massive technological edge, controlling future AI, simulations, and advanced scientific research. Dominate global cybersecurity, making their own networks unhackable while exposing others. China has already developed quantum communication networks that claim to be unhackable, while Google and IBM are racing toward the first commercially viable quantum AI models. So, will this lead to an AI and quantum Cold War? Right now, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin rely on blockchain encryption to stay secure, but quantum computing could change everything. Here's why. Bitcoin's private keys are protected by complex cryptography, which is nearly impossible to hack with classical computers. A quantum computer could theoretically break that encryption in seconds. This means billions of dollars in crypto assets could be at risk. So is crypto doomed? Not exactly. Developers are already working on quantum-resistant blockchains using post-quantum cryptography to stay secure. But the big question remains, will crypto evolve fast enough to survive the quantum revolution? Quantum computing won't just disrupt cybersecurity, it will change industries like finance, supply chain, and banking. Banks could run ultra-fast risk analysis, reducing fraud and improving security. Companies like Amazon and Tesla are looking at quantum computing to optimize supply chains and factory operations. Quantum simulations could design better materials for electric vehicles, batteries, and even fusion energy. The companies that adopt quantum computing early will dominate their industries, while those that ignore it could get left behind. So, with all this happening, how can you prepare for the quantum computing revolution? Stay informed. Follow news on Google's Quantum AI, IBM Q, and China's quantum breakthroughs. Learn post-quantum cryptography. If you're in tech, understanding quantum-resistant encryption will be a highly valuable skill. Invest in quantum tech stocks. Companies working on quantum computing will shape the next trillion-dollar industry. One thing is clear, quantum computing isn't just coming, it's already here. So, after everything we've discussed, should we be worried or excited about quantum computing? On one hand, it poses a huge risk to internet security, financial stability, and even national security. But on the other hand, it could revolutionize medicine, AI, space exploration, and technology beyond our imagination. The quantum era is coming faster than we think. The only question is, will we be ready?